Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 brightness issue solved. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter. Right-click Adapter, click Update Driver, browse My Computer for drivers, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Display Model, click Next. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Monitors, right-click Monitor, disable device, then renewable device. Right-click Monitor, update driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk. Type sfc space, /scan file equal to ccolan /windows /system32 /ieframe.dll. Type sfc space, /verify file equal to ccolan /windows /system32 /ieframe.dll. Type association. Type sfc space, /scano. Exit and restart eSystem. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.